Good morning, students. Class 8, chapter number 11, mensuration, exercise 11.2. In the previous video, we just complete out exercise 11.1 and we discussed about area of trapezium and area of rhombus also. Now we start exercise 11.2. 11.2, first question. In the first question, it is given that the shape of the top of a surface of a table is the shape of a trapezium. Trapezium, it is a type of a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel, and it is given that its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. उसकी दोनों parallel side 1 meter and 1.2 meter are given. These are two parallel sides, and so it is the shape of a trapezium. So it is 1 meter and it is 1.2 meter, and the distance between them is 0.8 meter. We can also say that height of the trapezium is 0.8 meter. So we have to calculate its area. I show area of the trapezium, you have know. So what is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 multiply in a bracket sum of parallel sides and in the multiply also distance between them. हम उसे हाइट भी कॉल कर सकते हैं, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. वन अपॉन टू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स 1.2 plus 1 and distance between them 0.8. 1/2 multiply 2.2 multiply 0.8. It's mean 1.1 multiply 0.8. So the value is 0.88 meter square. So it is the area of required trapezium. It's very easy. I'm sure it's clear. Just note down. Okay, students. Now we discuss question number 2. In the question number 2, it is given that area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel sides. A trapezium contains two parallel sides in which one parallel side is given 10 centimeter and the area of trapezium is given 34 centimeter square and the height also given 4 centimeter, and we have to calculate length of the other parallel sides. So firstly we suppose that we let other parallel side is equal to a centimeter. Now we use area of trapezium formula. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 multiply sum of parallel sides. It's mean 10 plus a into height या distance between them. So 34 is equal to 20 plus 2a. 2a plus 20 is equal to 34. Now we transpose 20 from LHS to RHS. So 2a is equal to 34 minus 20. So 2a is equal to 14. So finally a is equal to 7 centimeter. So it is the length of other parallel side. It's very easy. Area of trapezium formula we use and find out length of other parallel side. Just note down. Okay, student. Now we discuss question number 3. In the question number 3, a figure of trapezium is given. Trapezium, it's mean AD and BC both are parallel, and AB is perpendicular to BC. It is also given. It means we can say that AB is the height of the trapezium. We have to find out its area, and it is also given that These three sides are 48 meter, 17 meter and 40 meter respectively, and length of the fence 120 meter. Fence mean जो उसकी बाउंड्री को हमने कवर किया तो उसकी लेंथ 120 मीटर है. इट्स मीन वी कंसीडर इट इज अ पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर इक्वल टू 120 मीटर. Perimeter is equal to 120 meter, and the perimeter mean length of the boundary. It's mean AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120 meter. BC 48, CD 17, DA 40 is equal to 120 meter. AB plus their sum is 105 is equal to 120, so AB is equal to 15 meter. So we can say that height of the trapezium is 15 meter. Now we have to calculate area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half multiply sum of parallel sides into distance between them. It's mean height. So its area 1/2 multiply sum of parallel sides and height. It's mean 15. 88 multiply 15. 15 multiply 44, 660 meter square. So it is the area of required trapezium. So it's very easy. I show it clear. Just note down. Okay friends, now we discuss question number 4. In the question number 4, it is given that the diagonals of a quadrilateral, we suppose the quadrilateral is ABCD, and the diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. Length of diagonal is 24 meter, and perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertex. यानी कि जो डायगोनल्स दो वर्टेक्स को ज्वाइन करके बनता है, तो इनके अलावा जो दो वर्टेक्स बचे हैं उनसे जो परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किए गए हैं, these are 30 meter and 8 meter. And we have to calculate area of quadrilateral ABCD. So to find out area of quadrilateral ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD, and both are triangle, and the area of triangle is 1/2 multiply base multiply height. Now we observe that in the triangle ABD, what is the length of base? 24 meter, and the height 13 meter. And in the triangle BCD, base again 24 meter and the height 8 meter. So it is 12 multiply 13, and it is 12 multiply 8. We can take 12 as a common using distributing property, and in the bracket 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8, it's mean 21, and now multiply 21 by 12. 42 and 21, it's mean 252. So the area is 252 meter square. So it's very easy. We divide the quadrilateral into two triangles and we find out area of triangles, and after this we find out its addition. Just note down. Okay friends, now we discuss question number 5. Question number 6. Actually the question number 5 is the very easy. We can use that formula in the question number 5. Area of rhombus we have to find out, and both diagonals are given. Area of rhombus equal to half into product of diagonals. So you can try yourself. Question number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. Rhombus it is a type of a quadrilateral in which it is a type of parallelogram in which all sides are equal. So its one side is given 5 centimeter, and the altitude mean a perpendicular drawn from opposite vertex. It means we can say that its height is 4.8 centimeter, and we have to calculate its area. वैसे तो एरिया रोम्बस का फार्मूला हाफ इनटू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डायगोनल्स होता है, बट because in this question side and altitude is given, so we can use area of the parallelogram for area of the rhombus. It means area of rhombus ABCD is equal to area of rhombus ABCD is equal to, because it is a type of parallelogram, so we can use area of parallelogram formula for area of rhombus. Base multiply height, it's mean 5 multiply 4.8, it's mean 24 centimeter square. Now it is also given that one diagonal is 8 centimeter, and we have one diagonal is 8 centimeter, and we have to find out length of other diagonal. Because area of rhombus is equal to half multiply product of diagonals. So area of the rhombus we can already find out. Product of diagonals, it's mean 8 multiply a mean length of other diagonal. It's mean 4a equal to 24. So a is equal to 6 centimeter. So we can say that length of the other diagonal equal to 6 centimeter. So the question number 6 is clear, I sure, just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 8. Actually question number 7 is the very easy, you can try yourself. In the question number 7, there are 3000 tiles and the shape of each tile is a rhombus, and the diagonals of the rhombus are given. So we have to find out area of rhombus using half into product of diagonals and multiply by 3000. So we have to calculate total area of 3000 tiles, and after this multiply by the rate, then we have to find out total cost. Question number 8. मोहन wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. मोहन एक ट्रेपेजियम की शेप का फील्ड खरीदना चाहता है, जिसकी एक साइड रोड के अलोंग आती है और एक साइड आती है रिवर के अलोंग. यानी कि फील्ड के इधर रिवर है और इधर रोड है, और जो साइड रिवर के अलोंग है उसकी लेंथ रोड वाली साइड के अलोंग वाली साइड के डबल है. इट्स मीन it is x meter, then it is 2x meter, and the distance between them is 100 meter, and the area is given 10,500 meter square. 10,500 meter square, and we have to calculate, find the length of the side along the river. We have to find out length of the side which is lie along the river. So how can we calculate it? So again use area of trapezium formula. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 multiply sum of parallel sides. It's mean 2x plus x, and into height, it's mean 100. Area of trapezium 10,500 is equal to 1/2 multiply 3x multiply 100. So 10,500 is equal to 150x. Now we have to calculate x. So x is equal to 10,500 upon 150. So it's mean the value of x is 70. The side along the road is 70 meter, but we have to find side along the river. So length of the side along the river is 2x. It's mean 2 multiply 70, it's mean 140 meter. So I sure the question is clear. In the next video we continue exercise 11.2. Thank you very much.